Oh shit! Oh shit! Fuck, we gotta go get him, dude.
What up, YouTube? Heading to hit some steeps today. Gonna be doing some shuttling. Got the DH bike. Matt just had surgery, so he's out of work for a couple weeks. He got his finger fixed. He volunteered to shuttle us today, so pretty stoked about that. As you guys probably know, we have raging fires all over LA County. Just praying for all the people who lost their houses. The air quality here is not so bad. Most of it is it's up in LA, which is about an hour from us.
A few minutes later.
I should have kept my
So Matt is shuttling us today. He just got his second surgery for his finger. He had that crazy giant weird looking finger a few weeks ago, and then there was like a lot of hardware in there.
Yeah, plate and 4 screws. So
Yeah.
he removed that and he cut all the scar tissue out. So
Right safe. Alright, this is the first trail from Casey. Man, I finally got my front brake bled, new pads in. Feels amazing to have front brakes. Ooh. Oh my God. So good. Ooh. Oh, it feels so good. Front brakes.
yeah, I almost did the same thing. So I came off. I don't like that huck to flat.
No. Yeah. Well, you would have got an A+ if you would have waited at the bottom with your camera ready. So just met Megan. She watches the channel, and her man, Mike Boone, does suspension service.
Right now we're based out of Irvine. We do custom tuning, bushing resizing, custom valving, and full factory rebuilds.
Cool.
So
hit them up.
all kinds of...
Oh, this trail is gonna be sketch. We ready, Casey?
Good news we're gonna be.
Right safe. Alright. It's trail 2 from Kyle. Honestly, I am a little nervous. Oh shit. Oh man. Oh my God. Oh man. Dude. What are we doing here? Is that a little hook right there?
Right side.
How is it like?
Pretty sketchy.
Oh, that's great.
just,
Fucking 2025, dude. It's supposed to be chill year, dude.
Welcome to 2025.
Right safe. Fuck. Oh, motherfucker. Hold on. Off camera, for real. Oh, fuck. No, 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 no.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
More difficult vault. 16-0 start.
Unbelievable. Like a gymnast.
Did it hit hard?
You landed right on your feet, dude.
Dude, did my bike hit hard?
I think your bike's okay.
Dude, what the fuck happened?
Your back tire got out from behind you and then you had a hard time recovering.
2025 is not a good start.
Yeah, you got to go back up and conquer it for sure.
So what the camera will not pick up is this is off camber and super slippery. So what happened last time is I locked my rear and it just went sideways. So Kyle's saying basically not touch my rear brake here, that way my tires stay straight. Only use my front and then go down there, which is a lot easier said than done. It's my ego trying to get redemption. Something happened to my rear on that one. Oh yeah. Yeah, I might have bent my rotor.
Oh shit.
Control, control. Oh shit. Just had to ride it.
Nice.
Oh, didn't hit exactly what I wanted to do, but survived it. Hey, but Kyle's tip with the rear brake is fucking supreme, dude.
Oh shit! A little longer than a few minutes later.
Don't think about it too much. Just pure confidence. There it is. There it is.
Yeah! Yeah!
Hit me in the ass.
Yeah! Woo! That was fucking dope. 2025. Hey, it's still your year, man. You just redeemed that fucking crash. Bent. Yep. Alright. Okay. Fucking rear rotor is bent. Uh-oh. What we got here? Oh, mother. What is this? What is this? Whoa, whoa, yeah. Oh, this trail. This trail is fucking dope. Uh-oh. Oh my god. My front brakes. Whoa. Oh. What up? What up, you? Wow. Fucking sketch,
So much
dude.
harder than it usually is.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Dude, my front brakes work good though.
Nervous on that trail.
Dude, that trail's gnarly,
Everything.
dude.
There's ruts.
Yeah, but you made that shit look easy. Let's keep And on 2 wheels on this one, yeah? Yeah. All right, later, Matt. Oh, our friends, should we? You good, Casey? All right, safe. Oh, nice. All right. Follow Kyle. It's windy over here. Way smooth. Oh, motherfucker. Wrong line. Oh, whoa. Got that line. Alright. This is where Kyle just leaves me in the dust here. The bike feels a lot better with both brakes now. Oh my god. Oh my god. Whoa. Yo. Man. You haul ass on that shit.
I almost lost it on that hill, bro.
Did you?
Yeah.
I didn't even see you. You were flying.
I might not even be down yet.
Oh, we beat him? Yeah. Best shuttle driver ever. We cannot confirm nor deny this will be the blank lap.
Last lap.
No. You want to hit it or no?
Might as well.
Nice. Oh. Yep. Right safe. Okay. All right. Fourth lap. And Kyle. Oh. Oh. Nice. A lot of brake bumps. Oh, jeez. Oh, fuck. Oh. Survived. Wow. Oh, fuck it. Damn. It's like threading a needle right there. Whoa. That's like a beach. Holy shit. It is so fucking blown the fuck out. Oh my god. Oh. Wrong way. Huh?
It's so fucked.
It is so scary. Here comes Casey. Yeah. Hang on. 2025, baby. I couldn't get in there. Good shit.
Well, I kind of just.
Okay. Ready? Yep. Is this it? Oh wow. Oh, they made it even bigger.
Yeah, it's like 5 feet bigger.
Oh,
Or 3 feet bigger.
shit, dude. What do you think, the 20 feet? least 20. And there's a little gap you have to clear. Oh my god. Ooh. Yeah. There you go, Mach speed, dude. Hold on, hold on. Wait for Casey. Right, safe. This is sketchy. Whoa. Oh my god. Holy shit. Oh my god. That shit is fucked. Oh. Dude, I've been down it like 100 times. That was probably the worst, dude.
I've never seen a rat this deep.
Dude, that was crazy. I thought we were getting busted right now. Call it?
Yeah, I'm good.
It's hard to give up when you got a double shuttle driver there.
I know. Thanks for shuttling us, dude.
Thanks, bro.
Let me
Oh shit!